Thank you for watching this video. Today, I'd like to talk about premiums of social insurance system in Japan, how to calculate the premium and the difference between office workers and self-employed. Here is a social insurance whole image. I have already posted the video regarding social insurance whole image. You can access it from the description below. Please confirm it prior to watching this video first. Let's proceed to the features of premiums. Basically, self-employed must pay the premiums by themselves through municipal office. And in case of employees, the premium will be shared by employer and employee equally. Now, I will explain the case of office workers and self-employed separately. First is about employee. Health insurance, nursing insurance, and pension insurance are easy to understand when summarized, so I will tell them at once here. When it comes to health insurance, the insurance has two types, Health Insurance Society and Japan Health Insurance Association. Some of big companies or big groups like limited companies have Health Insurance Society characteristic benefits or unique rules. So, and other companies basically join in the Japan Health Insurance Association. And that's why today I will focus on only Japan Health Insurance Association. These insurance premiums are calculated based on a given table. And next, here is a table of premiums by grades. This part is the most difficulties to explain in English for me. It's easy to explain in Japanese. Here is a prefecture name, Fukuoka Prefecture, where I live. Premiums are slightly different in each prefecture. And around here shows the grade in light of your salary. Basically, your grade is calculated by your monthly salary from April to June. For example, your salary is about 200,000 yen, and here your grade is 17. And you can confirm your premiums to look at this line. And this shows the premium of health insurance. And this part has two rates, 10% and 12%. The difference between 10% and 12% is whether including nurse insurance premium or not. People below 40s don't have to pay nursing insurance premium, so about 10% applies to them. On the other hand, 12% applies to people age 40 or over. And the right side is a premium of pension insurance, about 18%. Health insurance premium and pension insurance, both of them has two parts, here and here. This shows all of premiums by calculating 18% or 10% or 12%, and before splitting by a company and you. That's why right side shows the premium after splitting with companies. I mean, you have to pay the premium here. I will introduce one example next. If you are age 30 and your monthly salary is 300,000 yen, in this case, your grade will be 22. And you can confirm your premium by looking at this line in the red circle. As mentioned before, you are under 40, so you don't have to pay nursing insurance premium yet. So in your case, the rate of health insurance is about 10%, and your premium is right side about 15,000 yen, and your pension premium is right side here, and your after splitting premium right side, so you have to pay about 15,000 yen as health insurance, and you have to pay about 27,000 yen as pension insurance. Speaking of pension insurance, the higher premium you pay, the higher old age pension you can receive. Next slide is about dependent and spouse. If you are dependent or spouse of office workers and you meet certain requirements, for example, under a certain annual income, you don't need to pay any insurance premium. It's a big advantage under the employees' social insurance system. Next is labor insurance. Speaking of unemployment insurance, the premium rate is very small. About workers' accident compensation insurance, you don't need to pay the premium at all. As mentioned in the previous video, companies are responsible for workers' injuries and disease. In order to prepare for the accidents, companies have to pay the premium at all. And that's why you don't need to pay. Next is about self-employed. In case of self-employed, health insurance and nursing insurance premiums are determined in each municipal, and premiums depend on your income, the number of family members. Unfortunately, the rule of dependent or spouse, like office workers, doesn't exist. However, if you are faced with severe financial conditions, you can claim some exemption systems. About pension insurance, the premium is basically fixed, 17,000 yen per month, but it will be adjusted in light of the average wage at that time. There are exemption systems as well as health insurance. Since labor insurance is for office workers, self-employed people don't take part in it. Today, I introduce the premium of social insurance one by one. Next, I will focus on the benefits of health insurance in detail. This card has a lot of benefits. I will introduce the benefits. So I would be glad if you could subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.